So over here you can see that I have a Toon Boom storyboard project, and there's a drawing over here on the bottom and a video is on the top of it. So this is the layer, and this is according to the layer management that you see on the timeline itself, you will be able to see something on the top or bottom. So if I want to, let's say for example, see the drawing on top of the video, then what I can do is you can go around onto the video clip right here. You can go around and right click on the video layer right here, just like this. And here you can see move track down is an option. And once you click around over here, you can see that now the video layer actually moves below right here. And as I scrub around, you can see the drawing right here on the top of the video. So if I were to go around, so I'm just going to go around, grab a brush right here, and let's go around, select white color, just like this, go around, and if I were to draw, you can see that it is on the top of the video. But if I were to go around onto the video and click on move track up, then it moves up, as you can see right there. And that is how you can move video tracks above or below drawing inside of Toon Boom Storyboard Pro. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.